Hi, I'm Steve. Come on in and let me introduce you to my favorite spicy roasted red pepper sauce. In May 2024, I unexpectedly had to go to Malta. My mom had gone to the island on a trip, but she fell, broke a hip, and needed someone to come and help look after her. I arrived on the island a couple of days later. While I was in Malta, I stayed in Mosta, a town located in the middle of the island. I would visit my mom in hospital in the late afternoon, and then after returning back to my hotel, I would go eat dinner every night around the corner at Alwan Lebanese restaurant. The first time I went to Alwan Lebanese restaurant, I ordered the Aleppo chicken. The dish of marinated grilled chicken was delivered to my table along with two dipping sauces. A white sauce, which I later learned was a whipped garlic sauce, and a red sauce. I absolutely loved the red sauce. As I would later discover, the red sauce was a spicy roasted red pepper sauce. I love that sauce so much, I ate dinner at Alwan Lebanese restaurant every night while I was in Malta. On my last night on the island, I was given a jar of that sauce as a going away present. Yeah, I love that sauce. When I returned home to Vancouver, I found recipes online for both Aleppo chicken and a spicy roasted red pepper sauce. I immediately purchased the ingredients and set out to make that sauce. Unfortunately, that recipe produced an incredibly spicy, inedible sauce. Now, I love spicy food, but it has to be balanced. That recipe was nowhere close to being balanced. In fact, it was so spicy, I bet it would have removed paint. But over the next number of months, I made that sauce regularly, each time modifying the recipe to balance both the flavor profile and spiciness. I finally ended up with a sauce that is both tasty and spicy, but not overwhelmingly so. I don't know how it compares to the sauce I had at Alwan Lebanese restaurant, but I love it. Of course, I love theirs as well. I hope you enjoyed as much as I do. And if you find yourself in Malta, make sure you go to Alwan Lebanese restaurant. You'll love it there. And make sure you say hello for me. If you're wondering about the cheeseburger in the opening sequence, I made the bun from a loaf of Asiago and jalapeno ciabatta bread that I buy fresh from across the street. Just cut the loaf in 1/3 and toast it. That provides a great texture and enhances the flavor of the burger. Of course, I lather both halves of the bread with this roasted red pepper sauce and make a nice large rectangular beef patty and cut a few slices of Havarti cheese for it. Está muy bien. In addition to putting the sauce on my cheeseburgers, I've also used it as a sauce for my take on Aleppo chicken and I put it on my scalloped potatoes. I bet it would also really work well on a rich chocolate cake. If you're interested, I have included the full recipe in the description below.